Oh, he got you around that corner. Might have to go right around and get him out that way. Oh. I'm filming, by the way, you better get him. Oh, now he's going to come back here, the bugger. He's not a monster, but he's a bloody good fish. Well, just wait for this wave, mate. Here it comes. Oh, next one. Hope so.
No, it's a pig.
Black snapper.
Just oh no.
You can come around this side.
Just
Nice fish. Oh, another slab. Oh, what's it's not over yet.
Get reefed in the pool. Pretty light as well.
Oh, I got that weed on his head. That might help. That might help.
That does help. If they think they're in a cave. Better to have some real big fish too. That's terrible. That's too much, isn't it?
Depends what does in between, mate.
I was just getting fish to hold in that water, you know. Tremendous. We'll give it a try, but it's a tremendous amount of wash. Even that's wet, but it's safe. You on? Woo! Hoover! Yeah, try to get under and I'll snap mine off. I'm snagged. Oh, what's the lens like? I just copped a wave right in the head. A good fish. You got him out of most of the trouble, mate. In this white water, he's not going to be too much trouble. There he is. It's all, yeah, he's a good fish, 1.5 kilos at least. Oh, a couple of kilo there. He's lip hooked. No, hang on. No, he's right down.
I'll try and wash him up over there.
Try to... Good fish.
Done him.
Done him.
Come on out. Come on. Behind that rock. now, so I should be able to lift him.
There's your pig. Pig or blur? I haven't seen silver yet.
Haven't seen any colour yet.
There's a pig. Got a bird. Yep.